There's nothing like autumn in Yellowstone. The leaves are changing, it's beautiful, and the wildlife are all over the Lamar Valley. The first thing we saw was bighorn sheep at the Calcite Springs Overlook parking lot, very close to the Tower Falls Visitors Center. Bighorn sheep are not uncommon to see, and this little group was leisurely grazing and wandering around, not bothered by people taking pictures. From there, we stopped just past the bridge over the Lamar River to see this black bear. At this time of year, grizzlies and black bears are trying to fatten themselves up for winter, and this fellow was intent on grazing along the river, unaware, or at least unconcerned at all the people snapping pictures. As usual, buffalo were everywhere in the Lamar Valley. They're so common there that those of us who visit Yellowstone all the time can take for granted how fun it is to watch these magnificent beasts. Whether they're using a log to scratch a hard-to-reach itch or wallowing in a dust bath, these great bovines are incredible. Trout Lake in the Lamar Valley is a favorite short hike of ours, especially in autumn. The leaves are changing, and though it is an uphill trudge for about a quarter of a mile to reach the lake, it's a beautiful view. On the way back towards Tower, we found this black bear in the bush grazing on white snowberries, trying to pack on as many pounds as he could. The last thing we saw was this coyote running across a meadow near Canyon. We see a lot of coyotes, but it never gets old. They are amazing survivors and amazing predators, always on the hunt. Some people mistake coyotes for wolves, but wolves are so much larger than coyotes and much less easy to find. My wife says coyotes prance, wolves lope. I suppose that's true. Well, a day in Yellowstone is always a joy, and we have never gone there without seeing something. Since we live close enough, we can leave in the morning and get all the way to the Lamar and back and be home before dark. We'll keep giving you travel and nature videos and hope you'll subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Happy wildlife watching!